Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here. Today I'll be recording another video on how to build an octowall. Now, in my last video, I absolutely promise you guys, I'm going to turn on an octowall, and here it is. But I might have to make a part 2 because, well, there's a lot more features to octowall than I did show on my last octowall video. Now, before I start, what does octo mean? Octo means 8, which means you're obviously going to need a good amount of dominoes, and it's going to have 8 sides. Now, when it first starts, you're going to place the domino just like this, horizontally. Now, you want to place another domino to the side, diagonal from it, about a domino height apart, around that length. Build each domino so you can make it however you want. And we're going to repeat this with the other sides. And boom, already done. So far, so simple. Now, I forgot to mention this, but it's by far the easiest 3D structure, in my opinion. So now, for our second layer, we're going to put a domino diagonally across these two. We're gonna do that with the rest of these. And now you might have to adjust the dominoes. That way they fit. But that's no problem. And then bam, second layer done. Now, 8 sides, as in octawall. Octawall. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna face the camera here. It's not perfect. It's definitely not perfectly shaped, but hey, not everything's perfect. Now, this is basically just an octo tower. The octo wall consists of 2 or more octo towers. Now, I am going to reveal this, but in order to knock down the octo tower, it's gonna be a bit more difficult. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of that since there's a lot more features to this. Now, for our final step is to knock it down. Now, I don't have really any special equipment to or maybe I should say equipment. Any giant dominoes to knock this down. So excuse me, figure. So you can use like field starters or just giant sticks. So we're gonna pretend that this is a domino. And that's how it works. Now usually it wouldn't go as fast. It would probably start from top and probably just slowly fall. But yes, I just made a giant mess. That's okay. Now we're gonna show you how to make an octo tower. Now this is gonna be a bit more complicated. And this time we're gonna build 10 layers instead of just a normal 8. But we're gonna just do 2 towers. You can make as much as you want. On my last video when I did octo wall, I did like 10 towers. I don't fully remember. It was like 2 months ago. I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm sorry. But yeah. Okay. Now. Oh, I just lost the top now. Don't worry. I'll get it later. Now, step. Now, first build your 2 octo tower, since it's called octo wall, so you have multiple of them. Yeah, it makes sense. Now, you want this to be about a domino height apart, just like the normal ones. Now, you're gonna see a bit of a different connection between the domino. Okay, now we got this done. See, it looks totally normal. 8 layers, zip down. So let me fix this real quick. What am I doing? Sorry guys, I messed up. My brain wasn't working. Up. 7th layer, and I think we have enough dominoes. Can't be entirely sure. 4th layer, we're doing 10 layers, so it's 40 dominoes. So yeah, we're probably got enough. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's basically our 9th layer, so we're on the last layer. And they have the octo wall. Now, yes, I know, not the best thing. I did do a connection a bit early, so if you were about to do this, I would consider not doing this. It's not the best idea. I just want to, change it up a bit. So you probably put like the 7th layer around that, but you can always change it if you want. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but there's only one last thing to do. Dun 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 dun. Oh. that was loud. I did this on a hard surface. It was also very fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.